Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka Moto Bro, and as you've seen from the title and the box behind me, yes, I got a new bike. This bike's actually for my dad. My dad really wanted this bike, but today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna review it, see if it wheelies, how it shreds, and what it's capable of. So let's get into today's video. So you're probably thinking, Moto Bro, what's in the box? Well, here we got a Hemingway fat tire cruiser. It is an electric bike, but it should be dope. We should be able to rip it all over. All right, pop it down. Yo, here we have it, bro. Look at these tires, bro. I'm really wondering if this thing wheelies, bro. I really want to see if this thing could pull up, you know, pull some combos. But let's hop in a little time lapse, get this all pieced together real quick, see what she's looking like. So as you can see, we got the bike out the box. It's pretty much almost fully built. We just gotta put the bars on and the front wheel. I know my dad's gonna be stoked when he sees this. Here we have it, the new Hemingway electric bike, fully built up. Let me show you around it real quick. So as you can see, it's a pretty normal bike. We got the battery right here. We definitely got some big tires. It reminds me of the SC fat tire bikes. But look, it comes with a front light. We got a little rear light in the back. Disc brakes, that's what I'm talking about. So I'll put my helmet on, we're gonna hop on the bike, see how this Hemingway shreds. Hopefully we can pull some wheel skis and just take it for a little cruise, vibe out. I got a crazy story to tell you guys too. All right, we got the helmet on. We got the beautiful Hemingway cruiser here. Let's take her a little off-roading, a little exploring. Let's see what this bad boy is capable of. Let's go, we lit. We got the electric bike, boy. I don't even got a pedal, bruh. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro, this thing feels flippin' smooth, dude. I was expecting it to be a little bit rough because it has like the pedal engage where you ride, it automatically gives it a little bit of electric power, which is nice. But it's cool, you can change the settings from 1 to 5 if you want more power or less power. I'm gonna put that baby to 5. Look, we're chilling, we're going 22 miles per hour. It's not bad at all. We're about halfway power. I need to charge this bad boy. But let's take her off-roading. Alright, we got a little off-road section. Let's see how this thing handles with these fat tires, bro. Woo! Oh my god. Yo, the suspension on this thing is way better than I expected. For being such like a big e-bike with big tires, the suspension is magnificent. Oh my gosh. Ah! See, bro, like this is a legit beach cruiser, bro. You could just, I need to take this thing on the beach. Woo! I can tell you one thing, it definitely ain't no dirt bike suspension for, but for like a little e-bike, this thing rips. Look, I'm gonna hit these bumps. Chilling, dude. And it's really not rattling that much. Some bikes, when like you hit a little bump, the whole bike's like jingling. Look, ain't even pedaling. It's cool because it has a little throttle. Oh, there's a car right here. It has like a little throttle. It's like a half throttle. It reminds me of like changing gears on a mountain bike, but instead of that, it's sort of just your throttle. And it keeps you going, bro. But you might be wondering like, yo, this is a cool freaking bike, but can it wheelie? And that is a question we are going to solve right now. I don't think it'll be able to wheelie, boys. It's a sad moment on the Moto Bro channel, but let me try. I'm gonna try manual first. Oh, it's hard, bro. This thing is heavy. Yeah, let me put the motor back on. Yeah, I feel like it's just a little bit too heavy to freaking bring out that front wheel. What the hell's going on here, dude? Traffic going every different way. But yeah, I don't think you're gonna be wheeling on this. Then again, this bike is for my dad. Just so you know, a cruiser. So you're probably thinking, Moto Bro, why did you get an electric cruiser? And it is for my dad. Shout out Hemingway for hooking up the boy. But yeah, I got this bike for my dad. He really wanted an electric bike, and especially after he's seen my electric dirt bike, he wanted to get an electric bike, and he was looking it up, and I was like, bro, like, I got you. So I got the Hemingway bike, and so far, bro, this thing ain't that bad at all, bro. This is not an electric dirt bike. This is literally an e-bike. So as you can see, your boy's pedaling, but I mean, bro, I'm barely pedaling. I'm just giving it gas. The bike's doing all the work for me. I'm not really doing anything. I'm just pedaling tiny bit at a time, and then the bike just goes. So the bike's top speed is around probably 22 to 24 miles per hour, which is pretty nice. It's a nice little cruising speed. The thing about this is, like, you're actually pedaling, so you're getting a workout in, but the electric motor sort of helps you out when you need it. You know, you don't always need to put it on, but if you need it, you can turn it on. The range on this bike is around 45 miles, 35 to 45 miles per battery. Of course, you can always go pedal mode if you're feeling risky. So gang, as you see it, we got the Hemingway electric bike cruiser here. This thing is a cool bike. My dad's definitely gonna love it. We'll do one last little walk around to show you. They get a little dirty when I went off-roading, but you know, that's part of it. Got the battery. And I mean, it's a pretty dialed bike, man. So gang, if you want to check out this bike, I'll have a link in the description down below. Remember, stay motivated. We're posting bangers, so be on the lookout because some crazy videos are coming soon. And yeah, I freaking love you. Thank you guys so much for the support. Till next time, peace.